Receivables at 1 December 20x6 was $3,115. She wished to change it to the equivalent of 2% of receivables at 30 November 20x7. On 29 November 20x7, she received $159 in full settlement of a debt that she had written off in the year ended 30 November 20x6. What total amount should be recognized for receivables in the statement of profit or loss for the year ended 30 November 20x7? Answer: receivables allowance at 30/11/27, $149,650 times 2%, $2,993. Opening allowance at 1/12/26 minus $3,115. Reduction in allowance. Credit to statement of profit or loss minus $122. Total credit to statement of profit or loss equals 122 plus 159 equals $281. Journal entry: debit cash 159. Credit irrecoverable debts 159. Debit allowance for receivables 122. Credit irrecoverable debts 122.